Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into the online banking service of Kotak Mahindra Bank. But before that, here's a short description about it. Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited is an Indian banking and financial services company headquartered in the city of Mumbai, India. It offers banking products and financial services for corporate and retail customers in the areas of personal finance, investment banking, life insurance, and wealth management. So, if you want to find out how you can log into the online banking service of Kotak Mahindra Bank, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice, and in the address bar type www.kotak.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now click on the login option at the top right, and after that you'll be able to see this page where you'll be asked to enter your CRN, username or card number. Enter the information asked here, and if you want your device to remember your info, then check on this box right here. But don't tick it if you are using a public or shared device. Once you have entered the information, click on next. After that, follow the further instructions provided, and finally you'll be able to log into the online banking service of Kotak Mahindra Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.